Welcome, family. This is Minister Cynthia Moore. Today, I want to share with you the heartbeat behind the Mended Men and Women's Healing Circle series. It's a united, trauma informed ministry created to restore the emotional, spiritual, and cultural well being of Black men and women carrying weight of generational wounds. Across 4 weeks, our participants learn to tell the truth about their pain, free their hearts, reclaim emotional honesty, and reconnect to the dignity God placed within them. Our women journey through the seven medicines of liberation, truth, emotional release, community, rest, creativity, resistance, and cultural spiritual identity. Practices rooted in scripture, ancestral wisdom, and healing justice based on the words of Dr. Thema Bryant. Our men walk through their own journey, choosing to love over bitterness with Dr. Martin Luther King, facing emotional truth of James Baldwin, courage of reclaiming strength, legacy, and deliverance through the prophetic witness of Ta-Nehisi Coates. These teachings help men name their wounds, break silence, and stand boldly in the truth of who they are. Both circles emphasize the same sacred foundation: safe sharing spaces, community connection, honesty storytelling, restorative rest, and central resilience and biblical wholeness. Together, these two programs form a complete healing ecosystem, which is placed where men and women can process racial trauma, rebuild identity, lean into God's healing presence, and walk towards liberation with clarity, strength, and hope. This is our work. This is our calling. This is restoring traumatized soul. Thank you for walking this journey with me. Let's continue forward together. I'll see you in chapter 4.